Today we are gonna do slime and we're gonna start a new thing. Oh, wait, okay. So my mom got me this slime kit and I made a slime yesterday. It didn't go well, but it was the first one that we've done. I think we added like too many decorations to it because like they were like foam balls and I think I added way too many. It's just like, this isn't slime, is it? This is not slime. Today, we are gonna start on Wednesdays, every Wednesday, we are gonna post a video of making slimes. And we have the instructions. Yeah, because we added like a little bit of every color, but actually a lot of every color. Oh, so it's stress relieving. And it turned out to be that. And we added a couple big ones, fish bowls. We added a couple fish bowls. Oh my god. Why are the fish bowls still open?
Because I never taped them. Keep
So
them standing up.
they're still open. Then we have the cubes we didn't use.
Telling.
Yeah. Because we're trying something new with this camera. There's a camera up here. You can see it. Yeah.
The tripod thing, yeah.
Yeah.
If I rotate it, I could show. Do you
I
want me to
want
show
to-
it?
Yes.
Here,
Look
watch.
up,
You
look up,
ready?
look up,
They
look
can
up.
see what we're filming
Look up.
right now.
Look up
Right
right
there.
up there.
That's the box in there that
I'm
you're
gonna
moving.
do clay right now. I'm doing clay. Mix 20 milligrams. Milliliters. Warm water with your favorite ink color.
20 of warm. What color do you want to do?
Oh, you know what? I wonder. I already did blush pink for the first one. Can't even see it anymore.
So you want to make it
I wanna do
blue
it-
and then make it in purple?
Yeah, blue and purple.
Do at the same time.
I'll put a couple drops of purple in. Don't worry guys, we've already done this once. It was a try. And I hope we make the fluffy cloud sound right. Oh gosh. What did you do to the purple?
Nothing.
It's globby.
Yeah, that's how it comes out.
Was that
That's
actually
why you
how
gotta
it
stir
was?
it. Yeah, that's how the pink was.
I forgot.
We just mixed it straight into
And I
the
forgot.
glue, so it was like.
Okay, that's enough purple. Okay. Okay, that's enough purple.
Mixer.
2 mixers. Probably actually I need 3.
Yeah, I gotta clean the one we used. Yes.
Yeah, it's still messy a little. Oh! You gotta be kidding me. I dropped a thingy in.
Mixed.
Mom, this came off of the blue.
That's okay.
Just nothing.
Yeah.
Just like, oh my god. That one still has it.
All this stuff.
You do blue,
I do.
mix blue. Gotta mix it. We gotta mix it. Mixy, 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 mixy.
Careful.
It's
Knead it together with 1 bag of clay
what?
for about 3 to 5 minutes until all the water is gone. This is messy. So what we're gonna do.
Oh, it's messy. Not like yesterday. I ruined Dad's mat. Put it in and then like mix it.
What you're gonna do is plop that down.
I
Make
see.
like a little. Pour a little, not all of it.
A little at a time.
Just a little at a time. Yeah. And then fold it
Spoon
and mix
that.
it and fold it and mix it.
Let's put blood. Okay, a little. I can't wait for it to be messy. Said, oh gosh, it's gonna be messy. It's gonna be messy. It's gonna be messy. It's not even close to being purple.
No, but you're still mixing, so it's gonna take 3 to 5 minutes, they said.
Oh, this is kind of messy.
Now flatten it out and I'll pour a little more. Make like a little bowl shape
That's
again.
cool. I'm doing that.
Alright.
Right in there. Okay, now
Now
let's
fold it in.
squirt. Don't squirt it. Okay. Nothing spilled so far. Oh, now it's liquidy. Oh, I don't like this. Oh, this is really, really fun to play with. Okay, I say we need more purple.
A little more purple?
Yeah, because it still looks a little white to me.
Yeah, it
It's all
almost
mixed
looks
in.
pink.
Yeah, and I don't want
I
the
just don't
pink.
want to use all the purple because then you won't have it for other slimes.
Yeah.
So that should be where we stop with the purple.
Yeah, hopefully.
Did you want to scent? This is
Ooh.
bubble gum.
Bubble gum.
You should, for the blue. The purple I don't think we should scent because they say to mix in this stuff in the liquid, the water.
Oh, yeah.
You can smell it and see if you like the smell.
We do 1,
You could probably do a couple drops.
3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is, I guess, enough light purple, I guess. No, like, that's enough light purpley. Did it turn off?
Yeah, it's good though. There we go.
Yay.
That's because I had been recording on that one before we started this camera. And the mic's still good.
This is really, really fun. And it looks like it's getting
banged the
fluffy. If I just keep doing this, it looks like it's fluffying.
Alright. You did the 3 drops of scent and
Yeah.
this one.
You need to mix that. Someone needs to mix that.
So
It's not mixed. You need to mix the scents in.
I know I'm gonna stir it.
I say I could tell if I didn't know, I could tell this is a very light purple. I think you're
and
supposed
part
to
of
use
it-
all of it.
Part of it is that we have all these lights on for the camera, so you can't really see the color good.
On my camera, you actually kind of can. Bye guys, hope you liked the video. Comment and sub and like. Bye!